What's up everyone? Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today we are touring an absolutely stunning $30 million luxury mega mansion, one of the most beautiful modern homes you will ever see. This incredible property features a gray, silver, and golden luxury design theme, massive glass walls, high ceilings, and breathtaking views that make this home look like a billionaire dream house. This modern estate is built with ultra-luxury architecture, surrounded by nature, and designed for rich lifestyle living. From the drone view you can see the massive size of this mansion, the long driveway, the beautiful swimming pool, and the perfect exterior lighting that makes the house shine like gold. As we move closer to the entrance, you can see the grand front gate and the wide modern driveway leading to the main door. The exterior design combines gray stone, silver metal, and golden lights, which gives this mansion a royal and expensive look. This is the kind of house you only see in movies or billionaire lifestyle videos. Now let's walk inside. Welcome to the grand foyer. This entrance looks absolutely incredible with marble flooring, a huge golden chandelier, and modern glass stairs going to the second floor. The gray and silver walls with golden decoration create a very rich and elegant feeling. Every detail in this house is designed to look modern, clean, and luxurious. On the right side we have the formal living room. This space features a large gray sofa, golden decoration pieces, modern fireplace, and a giant LED TV on the wall. The glass walls allow natural light to enter the room, making the whole space look bright and expensive. This is the perfect place to relax with family or guests. Next we walk into the dining area. Here we have a long luxury dining table with golden chairs and a beautiful silver chandelier hanging above. The design is simple but very elegant, matching the modern style of the house. You can easily host big parties and family dinners in this space. Now let's check out the kitchen. This kitchen looks like something from a millionaire dream. We have gray cabinets, golden handles, silver appliances, and a huge marble island in the center. There is plenty of space to cook, eat, and enjoy time with family. The lighting design makes the kitchen look even more modern and expensive. Behind the kitchen we also have a service area and extra storage space, which is perfect for a big luxury home like this. Now let's go to the TV lounge. This is one of the most comfortable rooms in the house. We have a big screen TV, soft gray sofas, golden lights, and modern wall design. This room is perfect for watching movies, sports, or relaxing at night. Next we go to the garage. This luxury garage has space for multiple supercars. The lighting, the floor design, and the clean silver look make it feel like a showroom. A mansion like this always needs a big garage for expensive cars. Now let's go upstairs to see the bedrooms. Welcome to the master bedroom. This bedroom looks like a 5-star hotel suite. We have a big king-size bed, gray and golden color theme, LED lights, and a glass wall with a beautiful outside view. The design is modern but also very comfortable. Now let's check the master bathroom. This bathroom is pure luxury. We have marble walls, golden taps, glass shower, and a huge bathtub. Everything looks clean, shiny, and expensive. This feels more like a spa than a bathroom. Next we have the home gym. This private gym has modern machines, mirror walls, and professional lighting. With a house like this, you don't need to go anywhere to stay fit. Now let's go outside to see one of the best parts of this mansion. Welcome to the backyard. Here we have a beautiful luxury swimming pool with modern lights, relaxing area, and amazing view. At night this place looks even more incredible with golden lighting reflecting on the water. This is the perfect place for parties, relaxing, and enjoying rich lifestyle living. From here you can really see how big and beautiful this mansion is. The design, the colors, the lighting, everything makes this house look like a true American dream home. And that's it for today's tour. If you enjoy luxury house videos, mega mansions, and billionaire lifestyle tours, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. We bring you the most expensive, most beautiful, and most incredible homes in the world. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next mansion tour.